Your warm, cozy student abode awaits at Prospect 885 New York. Your new private room in a charming 7-bedroom apartment features a massive cloud-like bed for restful sleep, tons of storage with closet space for all your stuff, and a dedicated study space for cramming sessions before exams. Smash fitness goals in the gym, perfect for intense workouts. Enjoy movie night with buttery popcorn in the cinema room, or chill with friends in the outdoor space. Tackle heaps of clothes with the laundry facilities. Here's the best part: electricity, water, heating, monthly breakfast, and more are included in your rent, so no surprise bills ever. Stroll to class in style at Medgar Evers College, or hype yourself with a short musical drive to SUNY Downstate Health Sciences University. Explore the city seamlessly with bus rides from New York Avenue and St. John's Place stops, or hop on the subway from Nostrand Avenue, all just a stroll away. A world of culinary adventures surrounds this exciting property. So, grab your spot at Prospect 885 New York today with amberstudent.com.